In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Vimeo controls when embedding a video onto a website. This simple method will help you present your content with a cleaner, distraction-free viewing experience. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to navigate to vimeo.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. This is a straightforward process, but it's an essential first step so you can access and customize your video settings. Once you're logged in, locate the specific Vimeo video you wish to embed on your website. Find it in your videos list or by conducting a quick search. After you've selected the video, you're ready to move on. Now focus your attention on the video page. You'll notice a share button. Click on it. This will open up various options for sharing your video, including social media links and embedding features. Look for the embed code provided within the sharing options. This is vital as it serves as the base for your video to be displayed on your website. You can either copy it manually or use the helpful copy button usually available. Once you have the embed code in hand, you'll need to look closely at the string of code. Your main task here is to spot the video URL, which is part of the embed code itself. It typically looks like this: https:/player.vimeo.com/video/video ID. This URL is the key to customizing what viewers see within the player. You're going to modify this URL slightly. At the end of the URL, you'll append this snippet, controls.0. By doing this, you are instructing the player not to display the controls, providing a seamless viewing experience once embedded. This adjustment is a powerful way to hide player controls during embedment, lending your video a cleaner and more professional appearance on your site. By stripping it of additional buttons and distractions, viewers can enjoy uninterrupted access to the content you wish to highlight. Now, when you embed the video onto your website using this modified URL, the player controls will be hidden. This minor alteration makes a significant difference in the overall aesthetic and user engagement levels. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide Vimeo controls on an embedded video. It's subtle tweaks like these that can greatly enhance the visual impact and professionalism of your online presence. Efficient and straightforward, it's an essential technique for anyone looking to offer a polished and focused video experience. Thank you for joining me in this session, and I hope you find this technique as useful as I do. Don't forget to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital content. Happy embedding!